A wave of crystalline light flows through every corner of the home screen. Icons adopt a glass-like surface that shimmers with each movement. The camera icon gleams with a soft glow, while the settings icon presents a subtle radiance. Clock, photos, and notes icons share this new translucence, and even control center toggles shimmer like polished crystal. In Edit View, glyph icons settle on the left, and a fresh Edit Wallpaper button appears, inviting users to change backgrounds instantly. Icon style options offer dark mode that can be auto or fixed, a clear look that removes tint, and a tinted style with light, dark, or auto hues. An icon on the right lets users switch between small and large icons. Pop-up dialogues take on a round shape, and cancel and remove buttons sit side by side in neutral tones. Lock screen enhancements bring a larger circular plus button for direct customization. Widgets slide to the bottom when the clock grows, and a time grabber stretches digits for spatial photos. Spatial photo scene creation transforms a photo subject into a three-dimensional lock screen scene. Notification bubbles now bounce gently as they appear, and a new toggle blurs the wallpaper behind always-on-display content for focused clarity. Screenshots now launch into full-screen markup view by default. A highlight to search tool echoes existing intelligence features, and integration with ChatGPT for image analysis allows detected dates to leap into the calendar with a tap. Markup tools adopt a cleaner interface. A new screen capture section in settings offers full previews, visual lookup toggles, CarPlay capture, and HDR or SDR formats. System navigation gains a universal swipe back gesture from anywhere on the screen. This change lets users navigate menus more fluidly without reaching edges. The keyboard receives a complete overhaul with rounded edges, darker keys, and glyph icons replacing text on the spacebar and search key. A brief rise animation accompanies each key press for a refined typing experience. Control Center introduces name recognition for accessibility, DocKit background mode for gimbals, local capture, and hover text. Background sounds expand with babble, steam, airplane, boat, bus, rain on roof, and quiet night. A timer sets auto stop for sounds, and a slider in a sleek glass panel adjusts EQ for comfort and focus. The camera app adopts a minimal design. Video, photo, and portrait modes align below the shutter, and lens options float without backgrounds. A JPEG menu merges format and resolution settings. Flash, live, and timer controls nest under a clearer grid icon. Video format, resolution, and frame rate display in a compact bar. Lens cleaning hints remain on by default. Composition settings show indicators and allow disabling specific markers. Camera control and adjustments permit reordering exposure, focus, and ISO sliders. In photos, past layouts combine into library for recent images and collections for grouped memories. Both sections collapse to maintain order. A button creates a spatial scene from any image, while a toggle stops automatic three-dimensional creations for users who prefer flat views. Safari moves the address bar to the bottom. Press and hold reveals tab options over an unblurred backdrop. An All Tabs view appears under the three-dot menu, and tab groups line the top of the interface. The share sheet transforms into circular icons, adding Create Note, Quick Link, Snippet, and Run Script shortcuts for enhanced productivity. Notes relocates the search bar to the bottom and shows note counts beneath each folder name. A floating toolbar replaces the previous yellow bar, and formatting controls scroll endlessly. The Share button pops from above, and users can export individual notes or entire folders as markdown files. Reminders displays colored boxes atop lists, with a floating tab bar nestled inside each list view. An auto-categorize tool sorts tasks into sections like groceries or maintenance. Buttons for Create a List and Add. New reminder appear at the main view, and quick date pickers streamline task creation. Reminders can also launch from the Control Center or the Action button for on-the-fly organization. Mail reveals a last updated status under each mailbox and moves the Edit button to the top right. The Compose icon shifts to the bottom in a fresh shape. A Summarize feature adopts intelligence hues, while mailing lists show an unsubscribe button. Cleanup recommendations suggest old promotions for deletion. Messages shows the user's name and photo atop the main page and screens unknown senders into a separate list. Group chats enlarge avatars and unveil a sliding menu for media and links. Custom backgrounds can come from presets, photos, or AI-generated art. Live translation works in real time. Polls allow participants to add options. Typing indicators and haptic bubble presses enable precise text selection. Natural language search accepts flexible queries. Genmoji encourages creative emoji combinations. Phone consolidates favorites, recents, and voicemail into a unified calls tab. Pinned favorites remain at the top. A callback button appears alongside recents. Blocked numbers display a clear marker. A screen incoming calls option prompts unknown callers, and Hold Assist notifies users when they leave hold. FaceTime greets with glassy name tags and gathers call controls at the bottom in a sleek bar. A screenshot button moves to the top right. A live translation feature and SharePlay appear in a new menu. Tapping one's own video reveals portrait, studio light, and gesture options for dynamic calls. Music adds a translucent Now Playing bar above the tab bar. The tab bar adopts a new icon. A pin song tool anchors favorites to the top, and playlists can now organize into folders. Automix blends tracks using machine learning with smooth transitions and animated artwork flows on the lock screen. AirPods pop-ups adopt the glass theme, offering direct beta update enrollment. A camera remote feature uses the stem to take photos or start videos. Media pauses when AirPods detect the user falling asleep. Charging reminders and feature previews highlight new functions upon connection. Battery settings now display last charge percentage, time since last charge, and current power levels. Usage charts improve with multiple indicators. The time to reach 80% appears on the lock screen. An adaptive power mode fine-tunes performance under load. Software updates settings gain a system files section for silent improvements, and feedback settings preview haptics and sounds in real time. 2 new applications enrich the home screen. Games merges Arcade and Game Center under Home, Arcade, Play Together, and Library tabs. Preview app mirrors, macOS preview for PDFs, and document annotation with eraser and drawing tools. Journal adds a map view for location-based entries, and users can sketch directly inside notes. Multiple journals keep topics distinct. A recently deleted section rescues lost entries up to 30 days. Maps receives a refreshed UI with recents and library arrows. Tools for reporting crashes, hazards, and speed checks now appear in the 3-dot menu. Business address cards offer direct call, website, and menu links for easy access. Wallet introduces a 3-dot menu to open payments, autofill, expired, and notification sections. Order tracking pulls data from mail for live updates. Boarding pass enhancements include indoor maps and live activities for flights. Podcast brings a speed slider with haptic feedback up to 3 times speed. An enhanced dialogue toggle improves voice clarity. The Now Playing widget resembles music with animated artwork. Clock adds a snooze duration selector ranging from 1 to 15 minutes in the alarm interface. Easy controls let users set timers visually in the widget. Shortcuts gains an Apple Intelligence section with ChatGPT, on-device, and cloud models for actions. A gallery offers pre-built shortcuts and suggestions for automation. Passwords shows a view history button under each item, and a clear history option removes old credentials. A security section controls wired accessory access when locked. Calculator reintroduces a backspace key and an all-clear button. A plus-minus toggle sits at the bottom left, and mode switching moves to the top right. Calculation history logs past problems in a tidy list. Accessibility sprinkles system-wide improvements. Hover text magnifies items under pointer. Spoken content reads pages aloud with adjustable voices. Accessibility reader scrolls text for hands-free reading. Head tracking lets users move the cursor with facial gestures. Name recognition detects specific sounds, and share accessibility settings syncs preferences via AirDrop. Every element feels united by the new glass-like aesthetic. Light dances across each surface, and animations flow in iOS 26.